Hello, this is Mike. This is my 5th year working in Toption. Our team will have a morning meeting together every day. Start a positive and passionate working day. Quick response to customers. Professional customization based on Toption 15 years manufacturer experience. Truly care about your benefits. Creating value for customers is Toption philosophy. Participate in every link of order production, installation, debugging, packaging. Be your reliable partner in CBD industry. Keep video calls with customers at any time. Support online live show of factory and equipment inspection. Support online video training of installation and operation. Overseas installation and training service is available. Safe wooden box packaging. I will be involved in every detail. Leading meeting. Let your client know every progress of your order. If you are a new starter, Toption provides technical support. Supply the best one-stop thinking solutions, products, service for our global customers. This is Mike. This is Toption, your top option.